Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. The flag of India features a spinning wheel called the Lashoka Chakra in the center of the stripe. A. White, B. Green, C. Red. A. White. The flag of Bangladesh consists of a green field with a red in the center. A. Circle, B. Square, C. Star. Circle. The flag of Paraguay is unique because it has two A. Coats of arms, B. Star, C. Circle. Coats of arms. The flag of Haiti has a coat of arms in the center. A. Blue, B. Red, C. White. Blue. The flag of Iceland has a red, white, and blue. A. Cross, B. Star, C. Circle. Cross. The flag of Brazil has a green field with a yellow diamond and blue. A. Square, B. Circle, C. Star. Circle. The flag of Peru features a red and white in the center. A. Coats of arms, B. Circle, C. Square. Coats of arms. The flag of Kenya has horizontal stripe of black, white, red, and A. Blue, B. Yellow, C. Green. Green. The flag of Sri Lanka features a lion holding A in its paw, A. Sword, B. Shield, C. Flag. Sword. A flag of Bahrain consists of a white triangle and vertical red stripe. A. 5, B. 7, C. 3. 5.